In this video, we will see example on integer based data type. So we will use integer based data type in this example. Okay. So before going to the example, I would like to tell you about the tools which we are going to use throughout the SystemVerilog course. What is the tools is, we have a QuestaSim tool. Okay, we will use QuestaSim tool for the simulation purpose. So to do that, to use this tool to simulate our design and verification, that TB, what we have to do is we have to follow some commands. So I am telling you here all those commands. So first command is, first of all, you have to add folder path into your QuestaSim tool. So what you have to do is, you will open the QuestaSim, and what you have to do is, you have to add your this folder path. So this is the path, right? This is the address desktop. Here you see in the left side right top corner, you see here, so desktop, and this is the our path, folder path. This path we need to add into the QuestaSim tool. So how you will do that? So this is the command you have to follow: cd change directory, and then curly braces, and you have to put your uh, address of your folder you have to keep here. Then the second thing is, you have to create the work library. So how will you create in QuestaSim? You have to use the command relive work. So this is the command to create the work library. After that, you have to compile your design. Okay, so this is the compilation command. So what is the command? Vlog. So this thing you need to remember: relive work, then vlog, and then you have to give your file name .sv. So if it is a verilog file, then you have to use v. If it is a sv file, means you have to use .sv. So file name, what is the file name? In our case, this is the file name. So see here this is the file name. This part is a file name: integer based data type code underscore 01.sv. This is the file name that you have to keep here. Okay, then you have to do simulation. So for the simulation, what is the command? vsim underscore top. So this is the command, not underscore, it's a space. So vsim space top. So what is the top? So this is the things we are giving here. This is the top module. So top module name you have to give here, you have to put here. Then the final thing is run hyphen all. Okay, so to run this thing, you have to use a run under a run space hyphen and then all. This is what you have to use. So using above command, we create. So what we will do is, either you can go one by one, like you can go here everything, like you have to go one by one, or else we will put together and we will create a file that will do everything. So I will show you everything. Okay, I will show you like how we can do one by one and how we can do at a time. So if we make a file that is called as run.do file, if we create this file, and in this file we will add in all these commands except this part. So this we need to add separately. Apart from that, these files, these commands we will put into the run.do file, and when we will use this file only, then every step, this file will take care of every steps of running our code. Okay, so it will automatically do the above steps. That's what I wrote here. So then the next thing which we need to understand is our code. So code is very simple. So this is the module, and this is the module name. Okay, so module and end module. So what is the module? First of all, you should understand what is the module. If you have already studied Verilog, you know, right, what is a module. So if you don't study it, then just I like to tell you just a simple word for the module. That is a module is a container. Okay, so it's like a container which contains your complete codes. So inside this we keep our code. So see here, this is a module, and if you go down, you will see here, this is the end module. So this part is the end module. Now this module and inside the module and end module, we are keeping our complete code. Okay, you see. Now what I told you, I will take the example of all integer based data type. So these are the integer based data type. So this is the data type, and this is the, sorry, this is the data type, and this is the variable name. Okay, so this is the data type, this is the variable name. in this example, what I am going to do is I am going to print the default value of each and every data type. Default value, what is the default value and what is the default size. Okay, so I am going to do that. So you see here, I declared all the variables here first of all. Okay, all the data types variable. Now what I am doing here, if you see, if you go up, then you will see here inside the initial begin. Okay, this is a procedural block which runs only once in a simulation. Initial block is a procedural block. This runs only once in a simulation, that you should remember. Another procedural block we have, that is uh, always block, that runs, you know, right, how it runs. So here we are printing default value and size of the above data type. So see here, dollar display. Now this is the function which will print this statement. Okay, and this is a format specifier, decimal, and this is the decimal. This is a format specifier. Now you may ask, what is all those things? If you, I'm telling, the prerequisite is you should know basic Verilog. So if you know Verilog means you should not have this doubt. So in this case, you see how it is. Here I am saying short int, so this will come, and then default value. So this short int default value, wait a second, this value, whatever this value default value will come now, that will sit here, and you will see, I will show you in the result. And then this is another function which will return the size of this short int data type. Okay, so similarly, if you go and if you see others data type also, exactly the thing is same. Int, you see here int, and then we have bits. Okay, similarly we have a long int, and then here we are printing the long int size and default value. Okay, so in this you see everywhere it is the same thing, nothing changed. If you find anywhere, if you didn't get anywhere, just comment in the below description box, I will answer there. And apart from that, what I am doing, I am giving homework. Now I am printing here default value and default size, but what is your homework is simply you should write code here, dollar display, or first of all you have to do like this. So this is a variable s int, means short int. I am assigning this value 23. Okay, now I am printing. So what is the homework is, you have to assign the value then print. So in each variable you have to assign the value and then print. That is the homework. And in this you have seen that, right, dollar bits I am using. So this is a system function means it's a provided by the system Verilog. As part of system Verilog library, it is provided. It's a system defined function, inbuilt function. We don't need to care about how we can what you can say, how you can build and how you can define the function. It's already inbuilt, just we need to use. So this is how we are using. We are saying dollar bits, and inside that we are putting the expression. Okay, and it is a system Verilog function which returns the number of bits required to represent the of data type. So it's required to, it's basically, what is that, it's a system function which returns the number of bits required to represent the data type. So how many bits are required to represent this data type? Suppose this is a time t, then how many bits it required? Okay, or a variable. So apart from that, one more thing is there. Real is a floating point. So you know that real we are representing 0, 0.0, 0, 0.1, like that. It's a non-integral data type. In IEEE standard, it doesn't require all the simulator to return the same. What do I mean is, suppose you are running this thing, this real data type, you are printing into the default value, you are printing into the QuestaSim or other tool. May the result get different. You may get the result different. Okay, while other simulator may return 64. Okay, that is what it is saying. So, and then you see the output. What is the output is short. Okay, default value is 0, you know, right? Short default value is 0, size is 16 bit, and then int default value is 0 again, and size is 32 bit. Similarly, you see a different one, byte. So see, byte default value is 0 and it's returning what, 8. The size is 8. If you see reg, the default value, how much? Default value is x, because it is a first data type, and then it is returning you how much? 1. In the next video I will show you how to simulate. Even though I want to show you in this video, but this video will become long. Already it's 10 minutes completed. Okay, so in the next video we will see how to simulate